Hello everyone! Today we're going to be taking a look at a popular Miele vacuum. This is the Miele Compact C2 Electro Plus Powerline Vacuum Cleaner. Miele is a German appliance company that is renowned worldwide for their high quality products. The Miele C2 Electro Plus is currently the cheapest canister in their US lineup that comes with a full-size electric power head, which is great for deep cleaning carpets. About a year ago, this vacuum retailed for $5.99. Now, likely due to trade agreement changes within the United States, this vacuum now retails for $6.99. While expensive, I still think that for the price, this is the best full-featured canister vacuum you can buy today. This Miele is a canister vacuum, meaning the suction motor and bag are a separate compact unit that stays on the floor during use. Although I tend to prefer uprights, there's nice benefits that come with canister vacuums. Because the heaviest parts of the machine stay on the floor, the power nozzle is extremely lightweight to push around. The quality attachments and wand are easy to change out, and they all work well in this format. Right on board, the vacuum features 3 attachments. There's a Crevice Tool, an Upholstery Tool, and a soft dusting brush. The Crevice Tool and dusting brush are both on the small side, but they are well made, perform well, and should last the life of the vacuum. Miele also offers a lot of great optional accessories that can be purchased for an additional cost. All of the cleaning tools can be attached to the end of the hose or to the end of the extendable wand. On the back of the canister, the Miele features an adjustable dial that lets you control the suction for different cleaning tasks. No matter the setting, the vacuum is remarkably quiet. This Miele features a 20-foot power cord and a nifty one-touch cord reel. Just tap the button and the cord flies back into the vacuum. Changing the bag is very clean and easy. You have to remove the hose's pigtail cord to open the latch on the front of the canister. When you lift the bag door, the HEPA bag self-seals to help prevent dust from leaking out. Although small, these bags hold a lot before they need to be replaced. Behind the bag, there's a pre-motor filter, replacements of which come with genuine packs of Miele bags. And on top of the vacuum, there's a large HEPA exhaust filter. Miele's generally feature industry-leading filtration. The genuine bags do a great job of keeping in dust, and the quality seals and filters mean that only clean air exits the vacuum. And although pricey, I would only recommend using genuine Miele bags, as they're much higher quality than even the decent generic bags. Using genuine bags will greatly prolong the life of the filters and keep the inside of the vacuum spotless. Even at $700, this is the least expensive Miele canister that features their full-size SEB 228 power nozzle, which on its own retails for over $200. Although lacking a headlight, this is one of the best power heads I've ever used with a vacuum. Thanks to a generous height adjustment, it can clean any type of carpeting, from patio carpeting and Berber to frisé and shag rugs. The direct connect wand attaches and removes easily. It features a wide cleaning path, an aggressive brush roll, and a lifetime belt. It grooms beautifully, vibrates dirt out of the carpeting effectively, and gobbles up pet hair quickly. It's really an excellent attachment, and anyone interested in a Miele with more than small light area rugs should consider this model at the very least. Thanks to 3 smooth swivel casters, the vacuum glides around on any type of flooring easily. Let's see how the Miele handles ground-in pet hair, glitter, and shredded paper. One pass forward and back, that did a fantastic job. Really brightened up the carpet too. You can see what a difference that made. It only left just a couple small pieces of glitter behind. This is a great power head. This is one of the best cleaning power heads I've ever used with any vacuum. For this carpet, I'm going to raise the height up to a 2, maybe a 3, but we'll leave it on 2 for now. For cleaning hard floors, I'm going to demonstrate 2 Miele attachments. The brush in the front was included with this vacuum, and the one behind it was an extra purchase. This is the standard Miele hard floor tool that this model was supplied with. Miele has offered this hard floor tool for years, and it's one of my all-time favorites. It's very lightweight to use, has large teeth for picking up larger debris as well as smaller particles, and has non-marring wheels that help it glide around. Here's the Miele Parquet Twister Tool. Although this tool is more maneuverable than the old one, it really seals down to the floor and is admittedly more tiring to use. Because of that, to my surprise, I prefer the hard floor brush the vacuum came with. Both deliver excellent results and won't damage your hard flooring. Now I'll show you how you can use the various tools the vacuum comes with, along with the optional Miele Mini Turbobrush. This wand extends right here. After using this machine for several months, I only have two issues with it. The first thing is that although high quality, the genuine replacement bags are pretty pricey. The other issue I have with it is that I wish the attachment hose were longer. Here I lined up the Miele hose with a Dyson canister hose and a rainbow hose. At just under 6 feet, the hose included with the Miele is right at the edge of acceptable. If it were any shorter, it would make the machine more annoying to use and affect usability. Although it doesn't look like much of a difference, the longer hose on the rainbow makes a big difference in overall usability. The Miele may be more cumbersome for taller users as well. If the Miele hose were just a little longer, it would allow both higher reach with the wand and better coverage when cleaning flooring before you need to pull the vacuum around. I really prefer canisters that have hoses that are 8 feet or longer. Sadly, Miele doesn't offer longer electric hoses even as an extra option. If they did, I'd buy one. So there you have it. This is the Miele Compact C2 Electro Plus Powerline Vacuum. I have very little issues with this machine. The canister unit is compact, lightweight, quiet, and very powerful. The performance across all floor types is excellent, and the vacuum is great for furniture, stairs, and general dusting high and low. It's also very user-friendly and easy to maintain. At $700, this vacuum is quite an investment, but Miele is known for their reliability, and the vacuum should perform well in your home for years to come. Currently in the industry, I would argue that this is the best canister vacuum available for the price, and I think most users would be very happy with the machine. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and as always, thank you for watching, and have a great day.